Hi everyone, 皆さんこんにちは. Welcome and welcome back to Circular Space. Today, let's make avocado, sour plum, and shiso sushi together. First, get some shiso leaves and sour plum. Make sure you get the seed out. Roll it up, then chop like you're mixing them together. Avocado time, moment of truth. Oh, it looks good. Put it aside. Here you need the makisu wrapped in cling wrap. Get a piece of seaweed, then time to lay the rice seasoned with vinegar on the seaweed. Make sure not to squish the rice, then flip it over. Put the shiso leaf and sour plum you prepared earlier on the seaweed, then it's time to wrap. Make sure it's wrapped tightly and the edges are nice and tight too. Time to cut the avocado. Make sure they're thinly sliced and place it on top of the sushi roll. You need a piece of cling wrap here and another makisu, this one without the cling wrap. Slide your fingers across to make sure the sushi is wrapped tightly, including the sides again. Cut the sushi in 8. A tip here is to wet the knife so that the rice doesn't stick to the knife. You need to use the makisu wrapped in cling wrap again here. Slide your fingers across the sushi, then take the makisu off with the cling wrap underneath. Put them on a plate and it's ready to enjoy! Ta-da! Please like and subscribe and let us know in the comments what sushi you like. Kanpai!